Would you like to turn your passion for whole leaf loose tea into cash? I'm Lisa Davidson, founder and CEO of Great Big Teas. Our direct sales tea company has a low barrier of entry and you can get started quickly. Are you ready to start earning? Call me, Lisa Davidson, at 877-734-8488 so that we can chat about what you'd like to realize from your own Great Big Teas business. We brew amazing opportunities. Call today.
Great Big Teas, make your very own tea party. GreatBigTeas.com. We brew amazing opportunities. You can make money selling whole leaf loose tea. Join us today and become a Great Big Teas consultant. Make unique tea parties in your area. Great Big Teas, host your very own tea party. It's fun and delicious. GreatBigTeas.com.